Greetings, guys. If you like black, and black is a perfect color, I want you to know that you're a very powerful person. Black attracts negative things and positive things, bad spirit and good spirit, good people, bad people. If you love wearing black, you must be very strong in spiritual, because if you are not, bad things, bad energy, bad people will overpower you in physical. Most of the people that love wearing black are chosen ones. They have mission on this earth. Just know that. If you want to witness something or what I'm saying, try sleep with black and black clothes or on black bed sheet. When you wake up, you can tell your friends or your loved ones what you witnessed. And I want to use this opportunity to thank all my fans that like and share my posts. I appreciate. Thank you all. Now, I don't know.